Alright guys, this is the washroom. Put that shelf up there, had my son to help, and I got my mops and stuff over here. I was gonna take that down, but no way to take it down. And I put my cow picture up here, and this is the washroom. It is officially cleaned. Now I've got to clean the bathroom. That's next. You guys, I've been in here cleaning in the bathroom, and I forgot to hit the record. So, I'm sorry. But, and I've already cleaned the toilet, and got it good and clean, and got it nice in here. But I think they shaved or something in here. Alright, I'm gonna wipe the door knobs and stuff. Into that one. I like to wipe off the doorknobs too, guys. I've already cleaned the mirror. Everything in here is officially done. Bathtub is clean. But I've officially gotten the living room, kitchen, the dining room, the washroom, and this bathroom. Tomorrow I will be working in my office, in the bedroom, and our master bath. I'll have that done. Alright guys, good night, love you, God bless.